On February 20th, 2026, the U.S. Supreme Court delivered a landmark ruling that struck down nearly all tariffs imposed by former President Donald Trump under the guise of the International Emergency Economic Powers Act. These tariffs represented the bulk of the customs revenue collected during 2025 and early 2026, a bold move that challenged the core of Trump's aggressive trade policy. The decision came with a 6-3 vote, notably including 2 justices appointed by Trump himself, underscoring the independence of the court and its commitment to constitutional principles over political loyalty. At the heart of the ruling is a simple but crucial principle. Only Congress has the power to levy taxes and tariffs, not the executive branch. While Congress can delegate limited taxing authority, it must be explicit, regulated, and subject to oversight. Trump's strategy exploited the broad and vague language of the Emergency Powers Act, which lacked clear limits on tariff levels, duration, and procedural safeguards, effectively giving the executive a blank check to impose heavy tariffs unilaterally. Justice Neil Gorsuch, one of Trump's appointees, eloquently defended the legislative process as essential for deliberation, compromise, and stability, qualities lost when one person wields unchecked power to tax. This ruling isn't just about legal technicalities. It curbs the arbitrary and protectionist impulses that distort markets, raise costs for consumers and businesses, and provoke retaliations harming global trade. Despite Trump's attempts to reimpose tariffs via other laws, each alternative carries significant restrictions, caps on rates, mandatory investigations, procedural hurdles, or limited scopes, making it far less straightforward to unleash sweeping trade wars. The court has effectively tied the executive's hands, preserving the constitutional balance and reinforcing that broad economic policies must emerge from elected representatives accountable to the public. For free market advocates, this is a victory against reckless interventionism and a reminder that durable prosperity depends on transparent, predictable rules rather than the whims of any one leader. As Trump's successors navigate this new landscape, the challenge remains to promote open markets and competition without succumbing to the temptations of protectionism or centralized control. This ruling may well be a turning point affirming the rule of law as the foundation of economic freedom.